Hello, it's Josh here from the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with a very special prize. It's a 1972 Kawasaki Z1 900cc. It's one of the first iterations of the Kawasaki 900cc inline-four models, so a very desirable machine. You can win this. Go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99, and this one will be drawn on the 1st of December. So if you're watching this after the 1st of December, check the website out, because we've got lots of nice prizes on there still. What I'm going to do now is show you around the bike, start her up. Sorry about the wind, we're on top of a hill, so it is windy quite often. Right, let's give it a go. I have already warmed it up, so we don't need the choke. Just turn your fuel on, turn the ignition key on, and then press the button, and away she should go. Ignition key on, press your button. Away she blows. So, as you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's all been fully restored to a very high standard. It's got its original engine. It's got that nice black engine which was painted on the early models. The later ones it was bare metal. It's got this really nice burnt orangey brown colour scheme, which is synonymous with the early examples. Really stunning machine. Bit of a close up so you can see the condition. Lovely paint. So it has had a full shakedown since the restoration, so it is ready to ride. Nice shiny rear. A really fantastic example. It's probably the best prize that we've ever raffled off, to be honest with you. Sorry about the wind again, it is picking up a little bit, but it does look stunning in the Cotswold countryside. Still needs a bit of warming up. There we are. And then obviously fuel off, and then turn your ignition off. And that's it. Like I said, this is probably the best bike we've raffled off, so please grab a ticket, it really helps us. The more tickets we sell, that means the better prizes we can get for you in the future as well. So it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99, and this one is to be drawn on the 1st of December. So if you buy a ticket, thank you and good luck.